The owner of a pizza restaurant in San Angelo, Texas, says he's counting his blessings following an explosion over the weekend. Take a look at this video. He was lighting the pilot of a pizza oven when it caught fire. Fernando Fuentes says the flames were so intense, he actually thought he was on fire.
And I watched that video, and it's terrifying. I mean, like I said, I thought there was more to it than what should have happened. And because I'm just counting my blessings, and an angel was with me.
And the cause of the explosion is now believed to be a gas bubble that can't be seen, heard, or smelled. Just days after the explosion, he is back at work, embracing the community he knows and loves.